I'm Carly Peters, and this is my discussion post 2. To answer question 1, in what ways do I use personal appearance to look a certain way? I try to express myself through how I dress, my jewelry, my hair, my makeup, my clothes. I am one to wear a lot of jewelry, and I have for many years now. I find that is a way to express myself, and I like to look like I am a very friendly, welcoming person. I want to look approachable. For instance, if you were in a room full of people and needed something, I'd hope that I look approachable. As I'm recording this video, I am being aware of my personal surroundings as far as distractions. I didn't want anything visually or audibly distracting, sorry. And I also let my family know before I record a video so that way there are no distractions there either. As far as appearance, I did work today, so I'm not too concerned about my appearance. And moving on to question 3. Touch is a form of nonverbal communication and is highly affected by social and cultural rules. I personally do not belong to a very strong culture or society, especially not one where social or cultural rules apply to touch, but I do have my own boundaries when it comes to it. I personally don't like being touched by those that I'm not comfortable with or don't know very well. I don't touch my friends that much either, honestly. The most is like an occasional hug or like if something's needed, obviously we can touch it, but as far as touching strangers, I don't typically do that because you never know how someone feels about being touched. Like if they don't want to be touched, if that's going to make them uncomfortable, if that reminds them of something. I just try to be mindful of any situation, and unless it's needed and the person is aware and consensual of the touch, I try not to do that. Question 4. The face is very expressive when it comes to communicating emotion. This is something that I can attest to myself. My eyes and my eyebrows definitely are very expressive features of my face. A lot of times I'll notice that they're moving before someone even finishes what they're saying. That's usually only in like a laid back setting with like friendly coworkers that I'm pretty much friends with, or friends, family. When it's in professional settings, I have gotten pretty good about maintaining my facial expressions no matter what is said, but if something is shocking, I might raise my eyebrows, or if something's confusing, I might lower my eyebrows. My eyes and eyebrows are very expressive features of my face. Facial expressions can be very useful, though, when it comes to communicating with others. For instance, spreading a positive message, sending a message with a smile. And as someone that works in customer service, I do this quite often. Speaking with a smile can really change things. Thank you for listening.